Stephen. Ito ano? Si Kyle Maliit. Maggagawa kami ng Brookhaven na house sa car. Nahihirapan kami dahil ayaw magpadikit. Hindi nakasali yung... May wag kami yung ibibidyo. Anong ginagawa mo? Ako na. Unlock mo yung ano mo, kotse. Okay na yan, okay na. Ay, no. Amelia, magpalit ka nga ng damit. Nagre-record ako. Napasok ako. Sige, din yung kotse mo. Din yung kotse mo, dyan. Eto kotse ko. Walang palitan. Naglalagay lang ako ng... Sino gumalaw ng kotse ko? Nagbibideo ako. Sige nga, magagana nga din ako. Napakalag. Ayun, wall. Tapos, ano yan? Pintuan. Huwag ka muna papasok. Wait lang, guys. Maglilig muna ako. Bakit? Paano ko naglalag? Sino nag-on nun? Roblox Kids si Amelia.
Karaniwang mga bata. Kung gusto raw, umiti at
Yung cute na aso, gusto ko yun.
Mama, sabi ko sa'yo. Alam mo ba yun kung gusto anak ko? Assignment. Magaling daw ako.
Uwe. Ako naman, nakakainis. Kapangit ang ulo ng ano.
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera. Behind the scenes. With the increased popularity of social media and video sharing, it's only reasonable that sometimes unexpected things might occur while filming, but maybe not as unexpected as this. TikTok user Billy Golf was home alone, dancing to a song on TikTok. She got an unexpected and uninvited guest appearance.
Tatalon yan?
Did you see it?
Ay, may tumawag. Baka tatay lang niya yun.
Someone or something dark and semi-transparent.
Bye ko.
All alone. So who or
Just be
what
respectful.
is this? And this isn't the first time something weird has been caught in a TikTok background. User Jasmine Pham caught this.
Saan?
Someone seems to be peering at her through the window. She said she woke her parents after the incident, but they found no one outside.
Nire-record ka ba ba?
TikTok
Yes.
videos go back even further.
Di pa. Bakit ganyan? Ipopost ko to sa YouTube.
This time, a strange white mist almost seems to run from the room.
Nagulo naman ni Amay. Amay, yung ito pabi sa akin.
So, maybe Snapchat is better.
Guys!
Or maybe Snapchat is not. So were all these ghosts or maybe even intruders caught on camera? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide.
Guys!
Under the the stairs. YouTube user Eva says that his family owned a commercial building that in his
I'm gonna get...
creeped him out. Shortly after they sold the place, the new owner said that he began to experience strange phenomena in the building.
Guys, dito yung pumasok sa bahay ko. Hindi ka makapasok? Bibi, yung bahay ko!
Some bizarre
Ay.
transparent shape
Para pag natakot ako, pupunta ako sa bahay mo.
jump over the banister.
Ay, maglagay ka nga ng wall dito. Para malak.
Is it a ghost caught on camera?
Pagkain mo, ilagay mo dyan.
Just a trick of the light. You decide.
Wala ko gawin naman eh.
Ernest Robinson says that he's heard strange noises.
Okay na yan. Wala, hindi, bawal mo na galawin eh.
Beneath the bizarre sound.
Wala, nakaalis ako sa bahay ko.
One night, his friend is taking to film a funny video of the Coach Mentos Challenge. It doesn't quite go as planned.
Wait lang, papalitan ko yung ano ko.
Naglalag ba ako?
Okay na to.
Ayaw ko tanggal. Natatanggal. Ako yung pink.
Sa akin yung red. Ay, brown.
Ay. Ako naman.
Now,
Ay, yun si Mamay.
what's it?
Wallahi. An?
Dude, look. Wow, look. Let me hold it down. Ernest, who was the one downing the Mentos and Coke, says that he had no idea that the door had opened on its own and didn't fully understand why his friend was running for the exit just because the
I
iron
don't
door
know.
was open. Until he watched the creepy footage back later on.
Dito ako matutulog. Yes. I'm scared.
Final steps. French YouTuber Jordan Erko hosts a series called Enquête Paranormale, where he travels around to allegedly haunted places all over France to conduct thorough paranormal investigations.
Maglalagay akong higaan ko.
Series, his team catches some truly creepy footage at a haunted house in the French countryside.
Nagbi-video ba ako? Oo. Excuse me. Bawal malagay ng higaan. Lolo. Naiya pa yung makatira sa bahay mo.
Jordan captures what appears to be an apparition or shadow figure descending the winding staircase. Now, if you speak a little French, you can check out Jordan's full investigation on his YouTube channel, Jordan Erko.
Nasaan na si Kyle?
Bakit ay gumana?
Kahit tabi sa ano mo. Tato.
Pangit naman.
Sino naman naglagay nito sa taas ng kotse ko? Uy, tignan nyo, baka nandyan yung tank nag-hospay sa atin yung tanke, dahil di ba may umahabol sa atin kanina? May tanke na umahabol sa amin. Uy, usugin nyo nga muna yung kotse nyo. Kailangan ko na space.
Whispers. One night, Freddy used her friend let his 3-year-old daughter take her iPod video with her to bed. The next morning, he discovered a video recording on the device that chilled him to the bone.
Bakit may flower dito, mami?
Where?
Ito.
Hindi ko alam. Nakita ko na yan eh.
Some invisible person. And the little bit of the conversation that can be understood does not sound
May
nice.
lusog ka nga konti.
This is what some Reddit posters thought the voice might be saying.
Lusog lang ng konti. Walang space sa akin eh.
So, just what do you think the whispering voice is saying? Let me know in the comments. Knock, knock. I included this next story as an extra because it's technically a ghost ARG.
Amelia! Wait lang.
How many people know about it? So, over 12 years ago,
Wait, gagawin
YouTube
ako.
account called Elise Texas
Ayan o.
began posting videos. Everything started off simple and
Ipapasok kong kotse mo sa akin.
Hi guys, it's Louise. This is my first vlog. Okay.
Wala, anong ginawa?
That's my yeah, okay.
Layas ka muna dyan. Hala. Ano nangyari sa kotse?
then one day, Osum Louise Paxton's vlog started getting very bizarre. She claimed that she had seen someone standing by her front door 2 nights in a row.
Okay. Stand tayo dito. Stand tayo dito muna. Stand muna tayo dito.
Hindi ko ako nakakasin.
Ano? O, tayo na lang, Kyle.
And on Tuesday night, an intruder
Bilis.
came to my house. There was
To.
Ano nangyari sa kotse ni Amelia?
Usi.
Sandali. May lumulot.
Bye, guys. So, tingnan niyo yung kasi niya. Ano yun? Ba't may ilaw doon?